In this screencast, I will show you how to get your credit report for free and not have to subscribe to anything. This is the approved way to get your credit report by the feds. So it says it's authorized by federal law. The website is annualcreditreport.com, and you will see that link underneath this video so that you know how to access, and you can just click on that link and it'll bring you to this page. So I'm actually going to go in and request my credit report to show you how it works, and I will be pausing the screen so that I can protect my own personal information, because you will be entering Social Security information and address and those kinds of things. So you can get one free credit report from each of these 3 credit bureaus once a year, once every 12 months. So what I like to do is get one every 4 months of the year, and then I have a way of constantly being watching my credit reports to make sure that there isn't any identity theft or incorrect information. There is a very good chance that different information will show up on different reports, so they can only report what is reported to them. So if an agency that you've borrowed money from does not report to one of the 3, then it won't show up. So I'm going to go ahead and go in here and say request my free credit reports, and then it shows you fill out a form, you pick the report you want, and then you request and review your reports online. You only need to, for this class, you only need to you only need to retrieve one of the 3 bureaus. So you get to pick which one, and then you will submit just the first page. So make sure that you do a screenshot, take a picture of it, or print it out and scan it. I recommend that you save the entire document so that you can refer back to it and compare it as you start requesting these every 4 months or every year, and then shred the old ones. So this is where you can go in, and this is the form I'm going to fill out. So I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording so that I can enter this, and then I'll go to the next screen. Okay, so I entered that information, and now I am in the screen where I can request. And this is actually, this website has been updated, so it is showing some information. Should you order all 3 reports now? It depends on you. If you are going to buy something big soon, you might want to get all of them. If you're not going to, then request them over time. So that's great, because I've been teaching that for years. So I'm going to choose my Equifax report, and I'm going to pause this again just to see what happens on the next screen before I show you. Okay, so when I clicked on that, it asked me to confirm the last 4 digits of my Social Security number, so I did that. It was actually pre-filled. And then it went to another screen that asked me to confirm verify some information. And this happened to me before, and I couldn't answer the question, and it asked me about a loan that I had that was paid off in April of 2008, and it asked me what lender it was through, so I was able to answer that. And then it asked me how much my payment was, and I don't know about you, but I can't remember what a car payment is from 6 years ago. So thankfully I still have my tax records, including my check register from 2008, and I was able to go in and answer the question correctly, and then it gave me my report number that would allow me to pull up my report. So I just wanted to make sure that you know how to access your credit report, and if you have any questions, please be sure to let me know. And if you do not have an active credit report, then you need to be sure to print out that page and submit that for that portion of the assignment. And then for your reflection on your credit report, you're going to need to send me a message so that I can give you your alternative questions to answer rather than the questions that are posed on that assignment. Thanks.